Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong. On the application of Temu, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here Temu app. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about the application of Temu. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.